You're not the funny one. I don't think that counts. Hey! What are you doing? Fight back! Are you crazy? I said fight back! Stop! What's wrong with you? Why didn't you fight back? Oh, here we go. Because I didn't fight back, that means I secretly care about you? I'm just a misunderstood little chicken fetus in a egg that needs to be cracked open. Well, I am not. I do not care about you or anyone else in the circus in the slightest. End of story. You are my playthings, and I get joy out of making you suffer. I'm the one who causes pain for fun. If I led you on, it was just to make this part hurt you more. Fuck. There's nothing more to me. So please,